Redefining home living with biophilic design in 2025, home design is evolving into something far deeper than aesthetics. Homeowners are embracing biophilic design, a philosophy that integrates nature directly into the spaces we live in. This trend is not just about greenery, but about creating effortless luxury, where comfort, wellness, and sophistication naturally align with the environment. Simplicity meets sophistication. Effortless luxury is about living in spaces that feel elegant without appearing overly designed. By merging natural elements with modern architecture, we achieve interiors that breathe life into our daily routines. This design approach combines clean lines, natural textures, and serene atmospheres, allowing luxury to flow organically rather than feel staged. Bringing nature into the core of design, biophilic living goes beyond houseplants. It's about windows that frame the sky, water features that calm the senses, and natural materials that connect us with the earth. From raw stone counters to wood-paneled ceilings, every choice reflects nature's influence, creating a holistic environment where health and beauty coexist. Transforming walls into nature's canvas. Vertical gardens, or living walls, are a hallmark of luxury biophilic design. They act as natural artwork, purifying the air while providing a visual focal point. Whether indoors or on patios, these lush installations transform otherwise empty surfaces into vibrant, breathing masterpieces that blend functionality with organic beauty. Grounded in nature's textures, flooring sets the tone for a home's atmosphere. Biophilic design embraces natural stone, bamboo, cork, and wide plank wood floors. These choices are not just about aesthetics, they regulate indoor climates, offer tactile comfort, and provide a timeless elegance that enhances every step we take within our living spaces. Bringing the outdoors above ceilings are often overlooked, yet in biophilic luxury homes, they become a key design element. Wooden beams, skylights, and green installations overhead bring an organic sense of connection. Imagine waking up to natural sunlight streaming through a glass roof, instantly reminding you of the vast sky above. Harnessing sunlight for well-being. Sunlight is the ultimate luxury, free, abundant, and life-giving. Large glass windows, open floor plans, and strategically placed mirrors amplify natural light within biophilic homes. Beyond saving energy, sunlight improves mood, supports circadian rhythms, and creates luminous interiors that radiate effortless elegance and vitality. Serenity flowing within your home. Water has a calming effect on the human mind. Indoor fountains, reflecting pools, or aquariums introduce the soothing sound of flowing water into living spaces. These features create a meditative atmosphere, balancing the sensory experience and elevating the sense of tranquility that defines biophilic luxury living. From decoration to lifestyle, while plants have long been decorative, biophilic design transforms them into integral design elements. Lush ferns in living rooms, sculptural trees in entryways, and herb gardens in kitchens provide both beauty and function. They improve indoor air quality, add texture, and blur the boundaries between the inside and outside world. Organic forms for modern living furniture in biophilic homes often reflects organic forms, curved edges, natural textures, and sustainable materials. From stone tables to rattan chairs, every piece contributes to a narrative of connection with the earth. These designs merge comfort with timeless aesthetics, ensuring that luxury is both elegant and grounded. Cooking in harmony with nature kitchens becomes sanctuaries when infused with biophilic design. Natural stone countertops, live-edge wood dining tables, and ample natural light create an environment where preparing meals feels holistic. Indoor herb gardens not only add freshness but also bring the sensory joy of harvesting ingredients directly within your home. Nature's calm in daily rituals. Biophilic bathrooms transform daily routines into wellness experiences. Stone sinks, rainfall showers, bamboo flooring, and plants thrive in the humid environment. This spa-like setting merges indulgence with nature, making self-care rituals not just necessary but luxurious and restorative experiences that refresh the body and mind. Sleeping surrounded by nature's comfort bedrooms designed with natural palettes, organic fabrics, and large windows overlooking greenery promote rest and relaxation. A headboard crafted from reclaimed wood, linen sheets, and ambient natural lighting enhance sleep quality. These spaces embody effortless luxury by providing calm, restorative environments essential for modern lifestyles. Productivity rooted in nature. As remote work becomes the norm, biophilic home offices gain importance. Indoor plants, wooden desks, and natural light boost focus and creativity. Water features or green walls reduce stress, while organic textures minimize distractions, turning workspaces into inspiring environments where productivity and well-being coexist effortlessly. Technology meets organic living. Biophilic homes are not about abandoning modernity but integrating it seamlessly. Smart lighting systems mimic natural daylight, automated irrigation sustains indoor plants, and temperature controls ensure comfort while preserving energy. Luxury lies in the harmony between technology and nature, offering convenience without compromising authenticity. The sensory power of materials texture plays a vital role in luxury biophilic spaces. The grain of natural wood, the cool touch of stone, the softness of organic fabrics, all create sensory depth. These tactile experiences go beyond sight, engaging touch and emotion, grounding residents in the beauty of natural imperfection. Shades of serenity in design. Biophilic homes draw inspiration from Earth's colors: forest greens, sandy neutrals, ocean blues, and sky-inspired tones. These palettes create calming, cohesive environments that echo the world outside. By surrounding ourselves with nature's colors, we cultivate balance and luxury that feels effortless and timeless in its simplicity. Blurring boundaries between in and out, luxury biophilic homes seamlessly connect interiors with exteriors. Sliding glass walls, open courtyards, and garden terraces extend living spaces into the outdoors. These transitions encourage interaction with fresh air, sunlight, and greenery, ensuring that luxury isn't confined within walls but flows naturally into the environment beyond. Eco-conscious yet elegant true effortless luxury aligns with sustainability. Choosing responsibly sourced wood, recycled stone, and eco-friendly finishes reflects both taste and responsibility. Biophilic upgrades are not just beautiful, they embody values, ensuring that every luxurious element supports the planet while enhancing the home's elegance and authenticity. Well-being at the heart of luxury. Biophilic homes nurture mental health by reducing stress, improving focus, and fostering relaxation. The connection to nature supports emotional balance, creating homes that feel like sanctuaries. This emotional depth elevates luxury beyond possessions, making it a state of mind rooted in harmony and inner peace. Hosting in natural-style homes designed with biophilic principles offer unforgettable settings for gatherings. From open-air lounges with greenery to dining areas accented with natural textures, entertaining becomes a sensory-rich experience. Guests enjoy not only the space but also the ambience of effortless luxury that nature inherently provides. Designing with shadows and glow lighting in biophilic homes is more than utility, it's about atmosphere. Warm-toned LED lights, pendant lamps crafted from natural materials, and strategic placements mimic the play of natural light. This creates spaces that feel alive throughout the day, maintaining elegance even after the sun sets. Intimate luxury within larger spaces. Biophilic homes often include small, personal sanctuaries. Reading nooks by a window, meditation corners surrounded by plants, or balcony gardens. These intimate spots offer daily doses of calm, reminding us that luxury is not always grand. It is often found in small, intentional connections with nature. A timeless design movement. Biophilic design is not a fleeting trend, but the future of luxury living. As cities grow denser, the need for nature inside our homes becomes essential. Effortless luxury will continue to evolve, integrating smarter technology, deeper sustainability, and even more organic connections between humans and their environments. Effortless luxury, naturally achieved. Biophilic upgrades transform homes into living sanctuaries where luxury is effortless and deeply connected to nature. By embracing natural materials, light, and organic design, we create spaces that enrich our lives daily. This is not just home design. It is a lifestyle where elegance, wellness, and the beauty of nature coexist in perfect harmony.